All the benefits of apples in just 1 minute. Did you know apples can supercharge your health? Packed with vitamin C, apples strengthen your immune system. Their natural fiber aids digestion, keeping you energetic and focused, perfect for students managing stressful schedules. And that crunch? It's helping clean your teeth while you snack. Eating apples regularly supports a healthy heart, thanks to antioxidants that reduce bad cholesterol. Want to maintain your weight? Their low calorie count and filling fiber keep cravings in check. For busy students, apples are a quick, guilt-free snack that fuels your productivity. Forget sugary drinks. Apples provide a natural energy boost with their combination of natural sugars and hydration. Perfect for a pre-study snack or energizing break during a long day, apples help you stay sharp without the crash. From improving skin health with their antioxidants to enhancing brain function with quercetin, apples are a true superfood for your overall well-being. Whether red or green, every bite powers your body in ways you can't imagine. Don't just snack, snack smart. Add apples to your routine, tag your friends who need this intel, and share your favorite apple snack hacks in the comments. Like, share, and stay tuned for more student-friendly tips to fuel your success.